Welcome to troubleshoot. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update error or cumulative update KB5070773 not installing.
Run Windows Update Troubleshooter Step 1. Press Windows I to open settings. Step 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 3. Find Windows Update and click Run. Step 4. Let it detect and fix problems automatically. Manually install the update. Step 1. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 2. Search for KB5070773. Step 3. Download the correct version for your Windows build. x64 or ARM64. Step 4. Double-click the downloaded file and install it manually. Fix 3. Free up disk space. Step 1. Press Windows R, type clear and press Enter. Step 2. Select your C drive and click OK. Step 3. Check temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, and click OK to delete. Step 4. Try installing the update again.